Do you need to update the two clocks found on your Mark 7 Volkswagen Golf? Then check out this video. Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome to another video on this 2015 Volkswagen Golf GTI Mark 7. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to update both clocks, that's for the time and date. Now by both clocks I mean the one in the middle of your dashboard there and also the one in the middle of your infotainment screen there. Now on a lot of cars you can just go ahead and tap in the middle there, but you can't do that on this car. So what we're going to have to do is actually tap the menu button and then go all the way to the right. See that cog there that's set up, and then on setup you go a second option down is time and date. Now I've got this set to manual because I live close to a different time zone, but you can actually have it just set to GPS and it should automatically update. But if you like it on manual or you want to have it a few minutes fast to make sure you're never late, then have it set to manual. Now what we can do is we can just go to time, and if we want to move it forward or backwards an hour, you just go ahead and do that. And then let's just move it forward an hour like that. Once we hit back, it's actually already updated both clocks. And that's actually the same for the date as well. So just moving down to the bottom, we've got the date there. So we can just go ahead and select a new date from our calendar. Nice and simple to do. And when we hit the return arrow, it's changed. And then obviously you can change it to 24 hours from 12, and we can change the time zone as well. But that's correct for this car. Just going to go ahead and put that back to the correct time. And then just to show you, when we go back to say our main screen like navigation like that, it's actually changed both clocks. There you go, nice quick simple video for you today. If you have found that video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.